Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dominique and I am here with a eyebrow tutorial. If y'all have been watching my channel ever since I started, even though I started less than a year ago, my eyebrows look completely different than they did a year ago. And I love them. I've really fallen in love with the way that I do my eyebrows now. I absolutely love the products that I use and everything. So I feel like I'm at the point now where I can actually give some tips and show you guys how I do my eyebrows, because now I've kind of gotten into my own routine and how I do them. That's pretty much what this video is about. If y'all like this simple glam, definitely let me know. I can do a video about this as well. But yeah, for today's video I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. So before you guys move on into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dominique, and today we are here with a updated brow tutorial. So I've gotten many questions before about what products I use to do my eyebrows and how do I do them. So just a little backstory. When I was younger, I had really nice, full, thick eyebrows until I wanted to arch them, obviously. So I started getting them arched with the razor, and then I moved on into waxing, and then I moved into threading for a little bit. So now I'm back into getting my eyebrows waxed. So these are recently waxed. I got these waxed about a week and a half ago. So I still consider these as freshly waxed because my eyebrow hair doesn't grow super duper fast, and I'm always picking at my eyebrow hairs. So it's a bad habit. I know I need to stop, but I do. So they are very sparse in certain areas. So when I do my eyebrows, I like a nice, thick, full eyebrow. Lately I've kind of been in between. I've been kind of going for like a nice natural but still full brow look. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so I did bring you guys in just a little bit closer so that y'all can actually see my eyebrows and focus on that. So first I'm going to show you all the products I use, and then I'm going to show you how I use them. Starting with filling in my brows, I'm in between these two products right now. This is the Sephora collection retractable brow pencil. This is in Granite. And then this is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in soft black. So if my brows are done, I'm using one of these two. Moving on into concealer. So the brush I use to apply my concealer is from BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray, the number 9 brush. The concealer I use is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Chestnut. As always, blend out that concealer after I've applied it. I use the Real Techniques medium shadow brush. I just use that to buff it out and make it, you know, come together. And then finally, to set my eyebrows, I use the Colourpop Brow Wash Gel in Clear. Alright, so starting on my eyebrows, the first thing I like to do is take the spoolie, and I just like to brush my brow hairs up. Alrighty, so after I brush my brow hairs up, I'm then going to take the pencil and I just make a straight line across the bottom, just following my natural brow shape. Alright, so now that we have that straight line across the bottom, I then brush my brow hairs down. So I do the exact same thing on the top, but I don't start at the front of my brow. I probably start right here. Alrighty, so now that I've lined the top and the bottom, I just go ahead and brush my brows back up. So doing those first two steps for me, it actually makes me not feeling my eyebrows so much because it kind of makes it seem like a lot has been done already. Next, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to make hair-like strokes in my brow. So now we are going to spoolie out the front of our eyebrows, giving it that ombre effect. So now that we have spoolied out the eyebrow, it looks like this. Really natural, really pretty, definitely full. It doesn't look like it did at first with all the sparse areas. So that is the brow that I like. So now going into concealer, we are going to take that flat brush and our concealer. We're just going to put a little bit on the brush. So now we are just going to carve out the bottom of our eyebrows, not touching the product whatsoever, not touching any brow hairs or anything, just carving out the bottom so that it gives that nice fresh outline. So now that the bottom is all carved out, we are going to take that big shadow brush and we are just going to blend that concealer out. Alright, so depending on your preference, some people like to put concealer on top of their brows also. Some people like to put foundation on top of their brows, and then some people just don't put anything at all. So it just depends on your preference. I alternate. Sometimes I'll do concealer, sometimes I'll do foundation. Just kind of depends on what look I'm going for. So for this particular look, since I am going kind of natural, I'm going to just put foundation. So I'm going to use foundation to carve out the top of my brows. Alright, so last step, you're just going to take your brow gel and go over your brows just to make sure they stay in place all day. So that is it for the eyebrows. So now I'm just going to finish my entire face and then we're going to come back to see how they look with a full face of makeup. Alright guys, that is it for this brow tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. This is typically an everyday makeup look for me. Just something really quick, neutral, easy, simple. This is just what I would wear every day. So yeah, like I said, that is all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked my eyebrow tutorial. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, compliments, any of that, feel free to leave that in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not already. Alrighty, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.